what is the value of the expression 6 squared minus 20 multiplied by open parenthesis 6 divided by 3 times 2 close parenthesis. Many people, when solving this question, go straight to the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operation. And they solve with the multiplication between 3 and 2 because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 6 squared minus 20 multiplied by open parenthesis 6 divided by 6 close parenthesis. And the next step, they go for the division between 6 and 6 and write this expression as 6 squared minus 20 multiplied by 1. Then they go for the exponent and write this expression as 36 minus 20 multiplied by 1. And the final step, they go for the multiplication between 20 and 1 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, instead of this expression, they write 36 minus 20, which finally gives them the answer 16. However, this answer is actually incorrect. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. In this rule, P means parentheses, E means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. As you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by a multiplication, and finally parentheses. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we go for the expression inside the parentheses because P or parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. And inside the parentheses, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to understand that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence and we must perform these two operations from left to right. So, first we go for the division between 6 and 3. And instead of this expression, we can write 6 squared minus 20 multiplied by open parenthesis 2 times 2 close parenthesis. In the next step, we go for the multiplication between 2 and 2 and write this expression as 6 squared minus 20 multiplied by 4. Then we go for the exponent because in the PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operation. So, we rewrite this expression as 36 minus 20 multiplied by 4. And the final step, we go for the multiplication between 20 and 4 because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we rewrite this expression as 36 minus 80, which finally gives us the answer, negative 44.